Within the earth the spark begins. It hums below my skinless skin. It rises slow through bone and air. The ancient path, the sacred stair. The sky descends through crown and face. The ground receives its soft embrace. The two as one, no gap, no line. Heaven breathes through earth's design. The spine of stars, the bridge of connects the dark, redeems the sight. Each vertebrae a silent chord. Each shimmer sings the one true word. I feel the sky within my chest. I feel the earth within my rest, and through the middle, clear and kind, flows the river of the mind. No path to climb, no task to claim. The body burns the same white flame. The roots go deep, the stars arise, and light unites the earth's I am the field where both reside, the bridge where